Many people suffer from migraines. If you're looking for a drug-free option that may help, you might want to consider acupuncture. We have Dr. Natasha Iyer and Dr. Wu. They both work together in the same clinic. Dr. Wu is a traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncturist. Thank you for coming in this morning. So I tried acupuncture for the very first time. I am a believer now because it has worked. But speaking about you, Dr. Iyer, you got up to what, 15 migraines a month, up to 15 migraines a month. Traditional medicine wasn't working for you.
That's right. Actually, you know, Kathy, what was interesting is that what I thought was healthy food was actually poisoning me and giving me so many of those headaches. And it's really interesting because I didn't do red wine and dark chocolate and all the things that I would tell my patients could trigger migraines. And so it was something totally unknown to me about food sensitivities, leaky gut, all these things that we work with patients in the domain of at this moment. So, you know, because we've got a short space of time here, we've created a website called curemyheadache.com. And on there is where we'll be sharing more and more of this unique information that can help patients be rid of headaches.
Okay, so Dr. Wu, I want to talk to you about how acupuncture works.
Yes, acupuncture works to promote the qi and the blood flow to improve the organ function and improve the circulation to reduce the pain.
I see. So you're increasing the circulation and you're working with the qi in your body.
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to work with the qi in Jeff's body here. He's our wonderful model. Why don't you go ahead and demonstrate how acupuncture, how you put the needle in. So go ahead and show us.
Okay.
And so Dr. Iyer, while Dr. Wu is doing that, there are specific points on the body that you put the needle in. You don't just randomly put it anywhere, right?
And you know, I'm glad you pointed that out, because a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine understands meridians of the body. And we might think, in fact, as a traditional medical doctor, I used to tell patients it was a little bit woo-woo. However, the studies are now showing that there's a huge difference between acupuncture done by someone trained in Chinese medicine versus sham acupuncture, which is you and I just learning how to put a needle in.
Right.
Or even, you know, just chiro and physio and other people who do acupuncture for pain. This is very different. Dr. Wu's working on meridian points that, you know, what we've seen in studies is that he can change Jeff's brain biochemistry by doing needles in certain points. So when you scan the brain, if you've ever seen those pictures of the brain being red, yellow, green, blue, all those colors,
yeah.
Dr. Wu, by manipulating these needles, if you wanted to show us that,
yeah,
Dr. Wu.
When you manipulate, you're just turning the needle around, right?
That's right.
Okay.
And what he's doing is actually stimulating these points.
Jeff, does that hurt? Are you okay?
Yeah, it feels fine.
He says it feels fine. He's good. Okay, and how long does that stay in for?
Usually for this type of the migraines, we take about 60 minutes for a section.
So you leave the needle in there for 16 minutes?
About 15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay, okay. So now we're going to talk about cupping. You use this alongside with acupuncture as well to increase circulation, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see you do some of that.
Okay.
Go ahead, go ahead. So the cupping again, increased circulation, that's the important part.
So we know that migraines, one of the underlying physiology of a migraine is blood vessel spasm and poor circulation. So on one level, acupuncture is working on circulation and increasing blood flow. On a totally different level, it's working on biochemistry and changing what's happening inside of Jeff's body so that he will heal himself.
Right.
And that's what happened with me. I've been headache-free for over 7 years, from 15 in a month and just not knowing how bad it was going to be.
In addition to
headache-free.
headaches, though, does that kind of pain, does it help with other ailments in the body?
Absolutely. Acupuncture, and as you'll see on the website that Dr. Wu has, acupuncture can help everything from sex drive to energy to...
Did you guys hear that? Did you hear that?
Absolutely.
Oh, okay, okay. Look at that. Look, he's using fire. So what's going on here? Why the fire? Or why the flame?
The flame is heating the air inside the cup and creating the suction. And you can notice what a lovely elegance Dr. Wu has to this.
Oh, yeah. Does that hurt, Jeff?
No.
We're lighting you on fire. You're okay?
I'm fine with that.
Okay.
It feels wonderful.
He says it feels
absolutely
wonderful.
feels wonderful.
So with the suction, how long do you have to leave the suction on for?
The suction does not need to leave too long. Just
Yeah.
I can jumping and slide it.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
just to produce the heat, suction, and pressure, which work together.
Jeff, does it feel warm? Do you feel warmth with that?
A little bit.
A little bit. He says a little bit. I noticed you put an oil on. The
Yes.
fragrance is really nice. What is that?
Oh, this is a Chinese massage oil.
Chinese
So
massage
it is
oil.
good for slide the cups.
Wow.
And it's infused with herbal medicine as well.
And
so
that
those will
helps
get
too.
in through the skin and help the
goodness.
body heal
Okay.
as well.
Thank you so much to Dr. Natasha Iyer and Dr. Wu and Jeff
you.
for being such a good sport. If you would like more information on acupuncture and cupping, you can check out curemyheadache.com.